Now I am going to discuss the question number 53 and 54 of paper 2. Given that the each a belonging to 0 to 1, limit h tending to 0. The question is limit h tending to 0 plus, that is integration h 1 minus h t power minus a or 1 minus t power a minus 1 dt. Okay, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? द वैल्यूज ऑफ g ऑफ 1 बाय 2, है ना? डेट वैल्यूज g ऑफ 1 बाय 2, ये हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. फाइनली डेट वैल्यूज ऑफ g ऑफ a, ठीक है, g ऑफ a पुट h इज इक्वल टू 0, दिस इज 0 टू 1, दैट इज t पावर माइनस a, दिट इज 1 माइनस t a माइनस 1 dt. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ g हाफ, पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ a इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय 2, इट मीन्स लिमिट इज 0 टू 1, t, दिस इज 1 अपॉन रूट ओवर t. ओके, ठीक, put the values of a is equal to 1 half, तो half minus 1, this is minus 1 by 2, it means that is 1 upon root over 1 minus t dt. Put t equal to z square या root over t is equal to z, that value is equal to 1 upon root over dt, dt is equal to dz. Fine, that is z, this is 1 by 2 equal to, change the limit. When you are putting the values of t is equal to 0, the values of z is equal to 0, and the values of t equal to 1, z is equal to 1. This is 1 upon root t dt, that value is equal to 2 dz. So 2 dz root over the values of root t is equal to z, it means t equal to z square, it means the values is equal to 1 minus z square. G of half, this is equal to 2, that is sine inverse of z, the lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1. Put the limit, that is sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2 minus 0, it means the answer is pi. Okay, now this is the correct answer is option A. Now question number 54. Find out the values of g dash half. Okay, now g of a, the values of g of a, that values is equal to 0 to 1. अगर इसको डिनोमिनेटर में चेंज करेंगे तो t का पावर माइनस a, that values is equal to 1 upon t का पावर a, तो values is t का पावर a, that is 1 minus t, ठीक, that is 1 minus a, और that values is equal to dt. ओके, फाइन. अब अगर हम देखते हैं तो वैल्यूज किसकी फाइंड आउट करनी है? सपोज मैंने रिप्लेस किया a को 1 by 2 minus a से, तो that values is equal to 0 to 1, that values is equal to 1. The values of a is equal to 1 by 2 minus a, रिप्लेस करेंगे तो t equal to 1 by 2 minus a, that is 1 minus t. ठीक है, put the values of a is equal to 1 by 2 minus a, 1 minus half, that is half, or plus a, but that value is equal to 1 by 2 plus a, that is dt. Now apply the king. Apply king. This is g, 1 by 2 minus a is equal to 0 to 1, that is 1. t को किससे रिप्लेस करेंगे? 1 plus 0 minus t, it means that values is equal to 1 minus t half minus a. t को रिप्लेस किया 1 minus t, तो 1 minus 1 0 plus t, that is t 1 by 2 plus a and dt. We know that that values is equal to 0, 1 by 2 plus a. फाइन. अगर मैं इस वाली क्वांटिटी को देखूंगा तो ध्यान से देखेंगे तो a को किससे रिप्लेस कर दिया? 1 by 2 a, 1 by 2 plus a को रिप्लेस किया 1 by 2 प्लस a को रिप्लेस किया 1 by 2 प्लस a, सेम क्वांटिटी ऑब्टेन होगी. इसका मतलब डेट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू g 1 by 2 प्लस a. तो फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशन वी कैन पुट 0 g to 1 by 2 minus a is equal to 0 g 1 by 2 plus a. ठीक है, डिफरेंशिएट द फंक्शन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू a, that is g dash 1 by 2 minus a minus is equal to g dash 1 by 2 plus a. Okay, now from here g dash 1 by 2 plus a plus g dash 1 by 2 minus a is equal to 0. Put a equal to 0. So 2 times of g dash half equal to 0. It means the values of g dash of half is equal to 0 is the answer. Fine. Okay, thank you.